Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in textbooks. Why is there a misconception that light year is a measure of time when it actually is a unit of distance? It is a combination of velocity multiplied by time. So the velocity is the speed of light and the time is 1 year, the time it has traveled. We'll go in depth. So the word light year can be split into two. In this context, light refers to speed of light. Year refers to the amount of time that the speed of light has traveled. So velocity multiplied by time is distance. Okay, now for viewers that want to save this video, you can do so. So for the rest of you, that's pretty much it. So we'll just go over a snipping tool. So use the snipping tool to save the video. You can pause the video and look at the steps, but since this is not really part of the video, I'm just going to go through it real quick. So here's the steps right here. I've got pictures to show you what to do. Okay, and then just drag your rectangle for your YouTube screen and then click the start button, 3, 2, 1, click the replay button. Click the red square to stop recording and then save your video. Okay, like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Share with your friends because this is not in textbooks, so they won't find it. If you have a question or if it was helpful, leave it in the comments. Until next time, see ya.